a bouncy beat. E is an elephant, big and tall. F is a fish that swims by the wall. G is a goat with a silly grin. H is a hat to pop right in. I is an eagle, chewy and cool. J is a jump at the park or school. K is a kite up high in the breeze. L is a lion who roars with ease. N is the moon that glows at night. N is a nest all cozy and tight. O is an owl with eyes so wide. P is a puppy who's by your side. Ha! Q is a queen with a shiny crown. R is a rocket zooming around. S is a star that twinkles so near. T is also train, la phone ding dong. Ha! U is an yo-yo that spins so fast. C is a zebra king, the end at last. Now we've sung